a world that has video cameras all over the place, and some of us even have them in our doorbells. So let's check out some crazy door cam footage. This guy's hauling a trash can, and it doesn't quite go how he intends. Ladies and gentlemen, this is why we de-ice our driveways. This person didn't pick up their mother's phone calls, so she paid their doorbell a visit to tell them about taco night.
You just come over and you're welcome to get it. You hear me? I called it and you didn't answer because I think you're busy. But anyway, we are having taco night. Good night. Goodbye.
You may be excited to greet the little girl, but she's here for someone else.
So cute. Are you cold? Papa. Okay, Papa.
What's that?
Hey, Papa. She asked for me, ran by me, and asked for you.
Once this kid learned that his mom could see him through the doorbell, he started saying goodbye to the doorbell every time.
Bye-bye, Mama. Bye-bye, Mama.
Bye-bye, Mama.
Bye-bye, Mama.
If you thought that was nuts, this next one is even better. These kids got their secret handshake caught on camera. Not so secret anymore.
What it do, y'all? What it do, y'all? What it do? I hear. Say hi, Mama.
This kid's mom was at work, so they paid them a visit through the video doorbell.
Hello, Mama. Hello, Mama. Yeah, miss you, Mama. Yeah.
These two guys are trying to get their newly married friend to go out with them, and it's harder than it
You've only
seems.
been married a week. You're coming out with us tonight. Every Tuesday with us. It's $2 Tuesday. Come on. We don't have to tell her. My bottle cap. What's up? I know you're at work, but you don't answer any of our calls or texts anymore, so now I'm just gonna keep showing up and talking to this stupid camera. But you have already missed last week. Sunday, Funday, Messy, Monday, $2 Tuesday, Wing, Wednesday, Thursday. Look, I'm back. I have a peace offering. I brought you your skeleton back. We did lose the leg. We took him apart last night. We acted like it was you. Things got out of hand. I'm sorry. I'm not gonna steal you.
This military dad just got back from deployment, and his kids didn't know he was coming home yet. Remember to keep watching because these clips get crazier as we go. These two owls keep eyeing each other down. Which one blinks first? Well, when this dog thought no one could see him, he decided to go for a swim. This bear tried to break into a chicken coop and got caught red-handed. This person decided to come along and try to steal the grill off a car, but the security camera started talking, so they ran.
Hey, what are you doing?
Yeah, pretty crazy, right? Well, check out this next one. And just like the last clip, this guy tries to steal something, but when the owner starts talking to them through the camera, they have a change of heart.
Sit down, sir. I see you.
These two kids tried to break into somebody's house and not only get caught because of the doorbell, but arrested because of it.
Hello, officers. Hi there. I'm in my office, but I'm able to talk to you through the Ring doorbell.
Are you able to make it here to the house? You have the 2 kids in custody.
You do? You? Oh my God, I love the Ring doorbell. Yeah, I just got a call from the station. They asked me to come home, so I'm gonna head there now. It'll take probably about 20 minutes. I'm at the airport.
Okay, all right, thank you.
Okay, thanks.
And apparently these next two guys like to lick doorbells? I'm not 100% on this one. This camera shows that this haunted Halloween shed is not for the faint of heart. Click the video on the screen.